Hey guys, it's Random Chaos here, back in the Splinterlands to find you a bargain. And today guys, we're talking about bargains in the marketplace yet again. There's another great buy opportunity right now. Let's go to my cards and we'll just check out this card. It's called Almo Cambio. Yeah, it's a pretty tough one to announce, guys. But look, its price, estimated value 27.27. What? That's cheap. This guy is gonna blow up. Now, the reason why I say that, guys, it's a reward card, it's a legendary reward card, and it's a neutral. Now, neutrals have so much utility in this game because they can be used with all the different splinters. So let's go to check out the stats of Almo Cambio before we even go and find out why exactly this is a pretty decent card. Now, if we look at the stats here, guys, we can see level 1, it has immunity. So that is perfect for those matches where you have poison start of the match. And in fact, any team that you're competing against has poison, this is not going to affect the Almo Cambio. Now, it has, 12 health. That's pretty decent as well, but check out the speed, guys. Check out the speed. That is pretty high powered. So if you can play this with a card that actually has extra speed, he might not even get hit. But of course, he's not going to be very good against magic teams. Well, not until he's level 2. He gets extra health, he gets better speed, and he has phase, which means that magic actually can miss this guy. So that is a pretty impressive thing at level 2. At level 3, now he's got return fire. So all of those arrows coming his way is heading back, which is pretty cool. It's a bit like Reflect. If only he had Reflect. Well, guys, he does. He has Magic Reflect at level 4, and it's 16 health and 6 speed. Guys, you might not even get to hit this guy. And if you do, well, Return Fire Reflect is coming your way. So if you compare this up with someone that's actually doing some health and some speed increase, well, you're going to go a long way. Let's go and check out why I think this price is going to blow up right now. So if we have a look at the Splinter Stats reward cards that are still remaining, we can see that Almo Cambio is 99.44% printed. That's right. So yes, we don't have very long to go. He's currently sitting at $31. That is a bargain right now. And as you can see, he's going to have max of 10,000 BCX. Now, if we have a look at this, guys, in gold, there's only 196. This means out of potentially several 100,000 players that play this game, there's probably, going to be less than 100 people could have a max gold version of this. More importantly, guys, you need 11 to get a max version in the normal type, and let's do the math on that. That means like 900 players, less than 900 players are gonna be able to have a max version of this card. So guys, you want to get in quick. Now I'm gonna take some of that action already because it's too cheap. $30 is too cheap. So let's have a look at a card that's sort of similar to that. That's the Lord Arianthus, right? I've covered that in a previous video. If we have a look at its stats, we can see that it has Shield, Void, Reflect, and also Thorns. So it actually gets it at a quicker level, which is probably one of the benefits, but it is $140, guys. It has Shield and Void for magic, absorbing the magic and other attacks. It has Reflect and some Thorns. So that is pretty good, guys, but you know what? I think the $31 Almo Cambio is probably going to do all right in a few different types of matches. So let's go and buy some of this and see exactly what they are. So obviously you can get them cheaper. That's where the 27.27 came in if you buy a max version. But I like to pick up the singles because, well, they're pretty decent. So let's just grab a couple of those. Have I even got enough? Yeah, I've got enough. Look, I'm going to grab another one, guys, because it is pretty cheap. I'm going to leave a little bit of the market for you guys. Here's the hot tip. When you're buying cards and you want the price to go down, don't buy right up to here, because the price is only going to go down to here first, and then it will go down to here, and then it will come down to here and here. Just leave a little bit of cream at the bottom there, and the next card that gets listed will be less than that. But guys, after this is out of print, which is very soon. In fact, let's just refresh that right now. It's already gone up by 0.01%, guys. So it's getting close. It's not $31 anymore because I just bought those cards. So, guys, yes, Almo Cambio is the trade of the day. I don't know how long it's going to last at $31 or thereabouts. I'm not sure what its maximum price value is, but over time, people will start to say, well, hang on, how come I don't have this card in my set? And they're going to want 11 of these cards and level it up and get the full benefit. Because as I say, it's got 6 speed, it's got 16 health, and it throws a whole bunch back at everybody. And that is pretty impressive. Let's have a quick look and see maybe the summoner that would be perfect for that. So let's have a look at summoners, all summoners. Now, I don't think I've got this one. Let's keep going down here and boom. Here we go, guys. This is your perfect matchup for Almo Cambio, guys, because check this out. You've actually got +2 speed, and you've also got healing the monster in the first position. So this and Almo Cambio combination is going to be somewhat unbeatable, guys. If you have a high mana game, because this is going to cost you 7 and that's going to cost you 8, plus you throw in a few extras, imagine having a monster with 8 speed. Like, how many times are you actually going to ever hit that? But there are other ways to create that speed and heal combination. In fact, if you could actually put this in a white team and you got a little bit of shield on this as well, and you had a repair, well, guys, no one's getting past the Almo Cambio. Anyway, guys, that's all we've got time for today. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, it's bye for now.